So hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enhance your and max out the speed and stability of your Wi-Fi performance on your PC simply on Windows. So let's get started with the step 1, DNS Wi-Fi setting. Click on settings, go to your network and internet, then Wi-Fi, click on your Wi-Fi device, go to DNS server assignment edit, then change it to manual and tick IPv4, then type preferred DNS 1.1.1.1 and enter let DNS 1.0.0.1 and save it. Then go back and go to Windows Update and click on Advanced Settings, search for Delivery Optimization and turn it off. Click Windows plus X on your keyboard, go to Device Manager and then search for Network Adapters. Right click on it and see your Wi-Fi device. Then go to Power Management and turn off the option. Now press Windows plus R on your keyboard and just do what I am doing. Copy me. Now press Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD and open EasyEdit admin and copy me again as it is. Now after all these settings, don't forget to restart your device. Thank you for watching the full video.